One thing that's really nice about this exhaust is when you're cruising at a constant speed, it's really quiet. You know, you don't get any drone. I've never heard any drone at all. It doesn't rattle. It fits really well. I can't really complain. I mean, if you want something more wild, go for it, but that's what the cutout is for. Okay, this is with the cutout closed at idle. No, it's not a bad tone. I kind of wish it was a little louder. I probably said that before in the video, because I'm used to GMMG on my other red Trans Am. I had GMMG for 7 years on my black Trans Am I just sold, and it's a really good sounding exhaust. But you know, I want to try something different. I've never seen this one before, and I like the option of having the cutouts. You know, I can open it up during car shows, things like that. So right now the cutout is closed. Now let me open her up. Now I have the dual switches here temporarily. The reason is you want to have a dual momentary switch, because the switch I end up getting, it'll lock in one position. I don't want it to lock on accidentally, and then the motor will just keep running on the cutout. So that switch powers up this switch. Now it's all the way open. Now it's, again, really hard to tell on the video because you don't really hear the bass, but it sounds a lot different in person. That's a lot more, you know, deeper rumble to it. Almost has an old school rumble sometimes. Really cool sound in person. I do get a little bit of vibration. It sounds like the spring on my passenger seat vibrates when I hit, you know, about 2,000 RPM a little bit. If I accelerate faster, that kind of goes away. If I accelerate lighter, it doesn't do it either. So you're going to get that because, you know, even with the downpipe, there's a lot of noise happening right there, and it's going to vibrate your floor pan a little bit. So let me close her back up. Now that's momentary, so I have to hold it. All right, now it's nice and quiet. Power it off. Big difference in person, a little bit on the video. So again, overall, I like the exhaust. It looks good, sounds pretty good. Almost has like a MagnaFlow sound with the characteristics of a Corsa, where it's not too crazy when you're cruising around, but when you give it wide open throttle, it sounds really good. So overall, I'm happy. Can't beat the price. $529 for the exhaust. Shipping was about 50 bucks. And then the cutout, the QTP cutout, are always ridiculous. $179 for the cutout and another $30 for the downpipe. So I could have technically got GMMG for the same price, but then again, this one comes with the large tips, and I'd have to buy the tips because the GMMG standard tips to me just look like crap. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see you later.